Grandma will be angry. Oh, tell grandma. Mama said I can.
What?
Tell grandma. Mommy said I can.
Baby Dicky?
I can. Yeah, I can. Take care. I can. Take your shower. Magalit daw si grandma. Ano ba yung nangyari yan? Kausapin nyo yan, oh. Ang daming mga ibon, no? Ang ganda ng panahon. Yeah, kami-kami lang. Walang tao. Ay, sino? Ay, naku, busy. Ay, mga mumo. Nandiyan nga, ang dami nga. Oo. What you guys doing? Where you guys going? Happy birthday! Okay, anong ulam, Chay? Anong ulam? Anong ulam mo? Are you taking a shower, Julie? Oo, 7 PM dito na, 7:00 ng gabi, guys. Tignan niyo naman, taas ng araw, no?
Hadak itotin.
Oh, wow, sarap niyan, ah. Pritong isda ba yan?
Ten.
Yeah. 7 PM, no? 7:00 ng gabi dito sa... Is it morning or evening?
Evening.
Evening. Okay.
Hey, mommy, morning, evening.
Morning.
No, evening.
Evening, yeah. No, there's a sun, see? Is it morning or evening?
Evening.
Evening, but there's a sun.
It's summer.
It's summer. It's evening. It's summer. Ang daming mumo, ah.
Ate, kita diba?
Maricar, daming mumo.
You want one?
Ano?
I don't want to take the TV. Oh,
Yeah.
you take.
Yeah.
Give me food.
Hi, Julie.
I need lemon.
You need yellow?
Lemon juice.
Yellow juice?
Yeah. Red juice.
1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Hi, Julie. Say hi, Julie.
Hi, Julie.
Hi, Jasmine. What are you doing?
I just put red juice.
Oh, you're making juice? You okay?
And no more this. I need to do it.
Oh, be nice.
No, that's your old toy.
Oh, there's an old one.
Okay, you want you want red juice?
Where you going? You okay?
I need this red juice.
Okay. Oh,
You have to do this. It takes a lot of time.
okay.
Number one. It takes a lot of time.
Oh, she's 8 years old. Hi, Julie. How old are you, Jelana?
Pod.
Hi, Marnie.